Alright, so you are welcome back to the part 2 of solutions to 40 likely JAMB 2026 maths questions. So I'm going to drop the link of the part 1 down this video. Make sure you watch the part 1 so you'll be able to know where we stopped and to continue from where we want to begin today. So we stopped at number 15 in the first video. So we're going to start from number 16. Today, number 16 says to simplify s squared. You simplify s squared minus 9 all over x minus 3. This is question number what? Number 16. So how to solve this? We use what we call difference of two square concept. The rule says if I have s squared, okay, minus y squared, my answer must be equal to x minus y in one bracket, then x plus y in the other bracket. So here, this one here, I'm having x squared minus 3 squared. 9 is 3 squared. All over x minus what now? X minus 3. This will give us, this is now what now? Difference of 2 squared. With this concept here, now we are having x minus 3 in one bracket, then x plus 3 in the other bracket, all over x minus 3. X minus 3 becomes x minus 3. Our final answer goes to what now? X plus 3. That is option B. Option B. That's question number 16. So let's go to question number 17. Let me read that here. So let me read that here. So question number 17. We are going to solve all the first questions. This is number 17. Find S10 over AP. So we have to find some of the first 10 over AP. We are given where the first term. First term is given as what? As 3. And the common difference is given as what now? As 4. Now, what's the formula used to calculate what now? Sum of terms over AP. The formula is Sn, which is what now? Sum of the first n terms of an AP is equals to n over 2 brackets 2a plus n minus 1 bracket what now? D. If I know the first term and the common difference. But if the last term and the first term is given, or this is formula, Sn equals to n over 2 bracket a plus l. Where a is the first term, l is the last term. N is the number of 10. D is the common difference. A is the first term. So let us go here. So it means our S10 is equals to 10 all over 2, open bracket, 2 times, what our A? Our A is 3, so we have 3 here, then plus 10 minus 1, then that's what our D? Our D is 4. So we have here 10 all over 2 is 5, open bracket, 2 plus 2 times 3 is 6, plus 10 minus 1 is 9. Then times what now? Times 4. Let me confirm our common difference. Our common difference is 2. Our common difference is 2, not 4. So we change this, and we change this. So we are having what? 5 open bracket 6 plus 18. This will now be what? 5 open bracket 6 plus 18 is what now? 24. 24 times 5, that will give us 120. 120. This is 20. This is 12. So we have 120. Option what now? Option D. Let's go to question number 18. This question is under what now? Under arithmetic progression. AP. Under arithmetic progression. Under algebra. Okay? Under calculation. So the next one, find the 8th term of the GP. The 8th term of the GP, the formula for a GP is Tn equals A R raised to the power n minus 1. That's the formula for the nth term of a GP. The formula for the nth term of a GP. But now to find the 8th term, so we have T8, it will be equals to AR raised to the power 8 minus 1. This will now be AR raised to the power what now? 7. We are given the GP as, this is GP. We're given the GP as what now? As 2, 6, 18, dot, dot, dot. Which implies this is the first term, 2. This is the second term, okay, 6. This is the third term. We need R, which is our common ratio. How do we get common ratio of a GP? Common ratio is given as what now? T2 all over T1. This will now be, our T2 is what? 6 all over T1 is what now? Is 2. 6 all over 2 give us what now? 3. So this our R is what? Our R is 3. So when I substitute our A is 2 times R 3 is power what now? 7. Now 2 times 3 raised to the power 7 will give us 187. And when we multiply everything, we have 4374. The correct option is option B to that question. So, what is that on that? Then, number 19. Question number 19. Question number 19. Let me write some up. So, let us create more space here. Let's create more space here. Good. Question 19. So now this says modulo of 2x minus 3 equals to 7. But now to find the value of what now of x. Now look up. This is what now modulo. Now note that what now the modulo of x, if it's equals to what now a. What is the interpretation of this? It means either our x equals to what now a, or our x equals to what now minus what? Minus a. Okay, I have minus a and a. Okay? So when I have modulo of x, if modulo of x equals to what now? A, it means either our x equals to what now? A, or our x equals to what now? Minus what? Minus a. So we now having the first one, now 2x minus 3 equals to what now? 7. What do I have there? 2x equals to 7 plus 3. 2x equals to what now? 10. X will be equals to 10 over 2. X will be equals to what now? 5. Then this, or 2x minus 3 equals to minus 7. Now 2x equals to minus 7. So we'll come here plus what now? Plus 3. So we have 2x equals to minus 4. X will be equals to what now? Minus 4 all over 2. X will be equals to what now? Minus 2. So the values of x are minus 2 and 5. That is option what now? Option A. Okay? I'm going to drop the question, the PDF of the question, the link to the question down the comment what now section. You can check it there so that you'll be able to follow what we are doing in this class. That is everything on the second part, which is what now? This part is, let me confirm, under algebra. This part is, so that's everything under algebra. We'll be able to solve 12 questions under algebra. Then the next part is what we call geometry and trigonometry. So geometry and trigonometry. So here, okay, we have question from the last 10 years. From the last 10 years that we will conduct research on and analysis on. We're able to discover that what now? Questions under geometry and trigonometry came out 10 times. So this in the last 10 years, we have questions under geometry and trigonometry coming out. So which implies 2026 questions under geometry and trigonometry is strongly suspected. So let us go to the question that we have here. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4. We want us to find the largest angle. Find the largest angle. The largest angle will be proportional to the largest what now? Largest ratio. Are you with me? The sum of angles in a triangle is what now? Is 180. So we should try. Let us get the ratio first. What is the total ratio? Total ratio because of what now? 2 plus 3 plus 4. This will now be because of what now? 9. Okay? Now, what is the largest angle? Largest angle okay, will equal to the largest ratio all over total ratio times what now? The sum of angle in a triangle, which is total sum of angle in the triangle. That will not be largest ratio all over total ratio times 180 degrees. Because the sum of angles in the triangle is what? It's 180. 9 here 1, 9 here 2, 0. So here we now have 80 degrees. So the largest angle is equal to 80 degrees. That's question number 21. Question 22 now. Let's just go. Question number 22. Question 22. 22. 22 says a chord is 8 cm from the center of a circle. A chord. So let us go. Let us draw a circle first. These are circle. Okay, these are circle. Then a chord is 8 cm from the center. A chord is a line that divides the circle into two unequal parts. A line that runs from one point of the circle to another point of the circle. That is from this point to this point is called a chord. A chord will divide a circle into two unequal parts. Okay? Or this one we call the minor segment. This big one we call the major segment. So a chord divides the circle into minor segment and a major segment. So we now said a chord is 8 cm from the center. So this chord is 8 cm from the center of the circle. Okay, this is what now? 8 cm. Of radius 10 cm. The radius is 10 cm. We'll have to find the chord length. The length of the chord. Suppose the chord is what now? AB. So this one and this one, they are the same thing under chord property. So here, this is a theorem that says when you have a line drawn from the center of the circle to bisect a chord, it will form an angle of 90 with the chord. And the length of the chord will be divided to what now? Two parts. From here to here, and from here to here, what now? The same thing. Once a line bisects the chord, that line that bisects the chord will divide the chord into two equal parts. So this one is x, and 2 because of what now? S. This is a right angle triangle. We can get this side using Pythagoras what now? Theorem. So if I bring the triangle out, I have this. So we have 10 is here, 8 is here, x is here. Hypotenuse. This can be opposite. This can be opposite. Okay? So now hypotenuse square from the theorem equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Where is the hypotenuse? 10 all square is equals to, where is the opposite? 8 all square plus, where is the adjacent? S all square. This will now be 100 equals to what now? 64 plus s squared. So we have 100 minus 64 equals to what now? S squared. This will not be what now? 36 equals to what? S squared. Ordinary s will be equals to what? Root of what now? 36. And that will be what now? 6 cm. Our s is 6 cm. So what's the length of the chord? The length of the chord will be equals to 2x. That is s plus s, which is 2x. That will be what now? 2 times 6. And that will give us what now? 12, 17. That's the length of the chord. That's question number 22. And let's go to question number 23. I hope this is clear. Okay? Let's go to question number 23. Question 23. So let us go to what now? Question number 23. Question 23 says if you find the area of a sector. Find the area of a sector. What's the formula for the area of a sector? Area of a sector is equals to theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. The theta is given as 90. Okay? Our radius is given as what now? 7 cm. Like I told you, I am going to drop the link to the question under the comment section under this video. Please make sure you work now you get the questions from 1 to 40, so I'll be able to follow along. So what do I have here? Theta, so it's used 90, all over what now? 360 degrees times 2. Our pi is 22/7 times 7 times what now? 7. 7 will come to 7, and here what now? 4. Okay? 0 will come to 0. Here 1, here what now? 4. 7 will come to 7, we'll now be having 22 times 7 all over what now? All over 4. So when you do everything, we're going to have what now? 38 with what? 5 cm squared. That is the area of the circle. Let us go to question number 24. So still under geometry and trigonometry questions. So we have 10 questions there. 10 questions over there. So if sin theta equals to, if sin theta equals to what now? 3 all over what? 5. We'll have to find tan theta. Find tan theta. Anytime you see a question like this that involves trig ratio, sin, tan, cos, we are going to draw a right angle triangle for this. So here we have this, this, and this as right angle triangle. This is theta. This is what now? Theta. These are 90 rather. Now, what is sine? From soc à toi. Soc à toi. Don't forget this. Soc à toi. Sine means opposite all over hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent all over hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite all over what now? Adjacent. So sine, 3 is the opposite. This will be 3. 5 is what now? The hypotenuse. So I need my what now? My x. Okay? Now is what we call Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse all squared, this is theorem, equals to opposite all squared plus adjacent all squared. Where is the hypotenuse? 5 all squared equals to, what is the opposite? 3 all squared plus s all squared. This will be 25 equals to what now? 9 plus s all squared. So come here. We have s squared equals to 25 minus what now? Minus 9. That gives us what now? 16. Ordinary s will be root of 16. And that will go to what now? 4. So this is our x is what now? Our x is 4. Tua, tangent equals to what now? Opposite all over what now? Adjacent. So our tan theta will be equals to, where is the opposite? 3 all over. Where is our adjacent? That is what now? That is 4. That is 4. Question number 25 is under bearing. It's under bearing. 25. Anyone so now? Make sure you watch the video from part 1 to this concluding part. Okay, we have 40 questions. I solved question 1 to 15 in the part 1. So this is the concluding part of the 40 questions. This is 16 to, we're going to solve 16 to what now? To 40. So you want to enjoy the video, make sure you watch the part 1. Okay, I'm going to drop the link of the part 1 in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video. Somebody somewhere with their phone that needs to see this video. Please make sure you send the video to them. Let them see it. Share to your friend. Share to your friend. Let your friend share to another person. Okay? So I'm going to work now to have a large number of students writing JAMB to see the solution to this likely questions, math likely question, solution to 40 likely JAMB 2026 math question. Please, very important. Make sure you subscribe. Comment section below. Like and share the video. If you want to learn anything pertaining to what now? Tech, you can join us. Okay, just contact. Go to our website www.neotisa.com. So www.neotisa.com. If you want to learn anything other what now? Not tech, be it software development, data analysis, UI UX, DevOps, and what have you. I think that's one is what UI UX cyber security. So make sure you contact us. We'll give you the best. Let us continue with the class. So find the bearing of B from A. Question 25. Find the bearing of B from A if A is due west of B. Find the value of what? B from A. If A is due west of B. A is due west. Well, if you look at that point, you have it like this: north, south, west, and what now? And east. So A is due west of B. A is due west of B. So we have it like this. So this is our what now? Our B. This is the west of B. Our A is what now? Our A is here. But now to find the bearing of B from A. What will be the bearing of B from A? This is what we call what now? Three-figure bearing. How do you get bearing? You start from the north and you move clockwise until you get the line that joins the 2 points together. So I'll move from here, I will stop here. Okay? Obviously, this angle here is what now? Is 90. So the bearing of B from A, bearing of B from A is 0, 90 degrees, 090 degrees. So that's the bearing of B from A. I hope this concept is clear. Bearing, due west. A is due west of B. Then get the bearing, start from the north, move clockwise. Now, question number 26. How to find the volume of the cylinder? Find the volume of the cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder. What is the formula for the volume of the cylinder? That is pi r squared h. Volume of the cylinder, volume of a cylinder equals pi r squared h. Our pi cylinder is from 2 over 7. Our radius in the question is what now? Is 7. So we have 7 times 7, 10 times. The height is given as what now? As 10. So what happened? 7 comes from what is 7 now times 2 times 7 times 10. And when we multiply everything, we have 1540 cm cubed. 1540 cm what? Cm. Volume is cubic units, while area is square unit. It's very important. It's very important that you know the unit of what? Of measurement. Question number 27. I see another word now, geometry and trigonometry. You can change your area. Question 27. Question 27. Two angles of a quadrilateral are 27. Two angles of a quadrilateral are 70 degrees and 110 degrees. The other two are equal. Find each. The quadrilateral is a four-sided shape. So I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this. And then two angles are what? 70 and 110. So here, 110. Here, 70. And I said the remaining two are equal. So this one is what? X. This one is what now? X. But now I have to find the two. Find each of these. This is a quadrilateral, a four-sided shape. The sum of angles, okay, of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. How do you get it? What is the sum of interior angle of the polygon? Sum of interior angles equals to n minus 2 bracket what now? 180 degrees. This is the formula for some of the interior angles of the polygon. N minus 2 bracket what now? 180 degrees. What's our n? Our n is 4. So we have 4 minus 2 times what now? 180 degrees. 2 times 180 degrees. So because of what now? 360. So it means the sum of all this angle is equals what now? 360 degrees. So now we are having 70 plus 110 plus x equals what now? 360 degrees. This will be what now? 180 plus 2x equals what now? 360 degrees. Our 2x equals what? 180 minus 110. 2x equals what now? 180. 180. What am I doing here? This is 360, sorry. 360 degrees minus 180. Minus 180. So now, ordinary x will be equal to 180 all over 2. So that will be also 90. So each of the angles, x and x is 90 degrees. That's question number 27. I'll get to question number 28. Of course, you like the video, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Like the video, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let all the candidates writing JAMB 2026 mathematics see this video. It's very important. So let's go to question number 28. 28. It just says if you find an arc, an arc of circles of 10 angle of 140 at the center, find the angle at circumference. Angle at center, angle. This is what we call a circle theorem question. Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. That's the first theorem. That's what now? Circle theorem. So the first one, an arc of 10 angle of 140 at the center. So we have this angle of 140 at the center. We have this angle of 140 at the center. This one is the center. 140 degrees. We also find angle at circumference. Angle at circumference. Angle at circumference. So let us say this is what now? This x. And mind you, this theorem says angle at center. Angle at center is twice angle at the circumference. So it means 2 times angle at circumference. Take note of this. What is angle at center? 140. So I have 140 degrees equals to 2 times x. The angle at circumference is what? Is x. So I have 2 times what now? X. So this will now be 140 all over 2 equals to what now? X. So our x will be equals to what now? 70 degrees. So what did I use to solve this question? Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. This is the theorem. Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. Question number 29. Question number 29. Question 29. I'm going to finish the 40 question by God's grace in this video. No carry over by God's grace. Alright, so let's go. 29 says a triangle has sides. The triangle has sides 3 cm, 4 cm, and 5 cm. Now said, what type is this? This is a rectangle triangle now. Because the last one is like this. This is a rectangle triangle. 5, 4, 3. You want to get 5, okay? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse all squared equals what now? Opposite all squared plus adjacent all squared. Just to confirm, what is this? 4 squared plus 3 squared. This is not what now? 16 plus what? 9. This is what now? 20 what? 25. These are what now? S squared. Suppose you don't know this one. So this is x, you don't know it. So now be s all squared. Under s will be what now? Root of what? 5. So this will be what now? 5. So this is a rectangle triangle. Call it what now? Pythagoras triplet. So 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So this is a rectangle triangle. Right angle triangle. Please don't forget. Right angle. So right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. What is that? Right angle triangle. So go to the next one. Number 30. Number 30 is under question between 2 points. Question under this are between 2 points. So we have 2 points x1 or we have 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. This one between them is given by the formula the root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all what? All squared. So what about there? Let's go for the question. We have 1 and 2, 4 and 6. So that's the 2 points A 1 and 2, B, 4 and 6. 4, what now? These are the 2 points. So, what's the first one? This is what? Our S1 by 1. Don't make mistake. Once you label it wrongly, you can't get the correct answer. This is S2, Y2. This is S1, Y1. So let us substitute. That's all. S2, 4. So we have 4 minus S1, 1 all square. Plus Y2, 6 minus Y1, 2 all square. It should not be the root of 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have 3 all squared plus 6 minus 2 is 4. So we have 4 all squared. It's not also root of what now? 9 plus 16. Root of 25. What's the root of 25? That's because of what now? 5. So the correct answer is 5 units. 5 minutes. Don't forget. 5 minutes. That's question like that. And now we have the end of question under geometry and trigonometry. This is question number 30. Okay, so the next one is what now? Question 31. And question 31 falls under statistics and probability. Statistics and probability. And out of the 10 years I studied, we discovered that what now? 6 out of the 10 years we have questions coming out under what? Statistics and probability. 6 out of the 10 years. So it means for 6 years out of the 10 years we have questions under what? Statistics and probability. Statistics and probability. Now we have 6 questions there. 6 questions out of 10 years. So 31. Now says the mean of 5 numbers is 8. 4 are 6, 9, 7, 10. Find the fifth. The mean of 5 numbers. Mean equals to sigma s all over what now? N. Add all the numbers. Divided by what now? Number of distribution. So we have 5 numbers. So we have 9, 6, 9, 7, 10. And what now? And x. We don't know this one. We have to find this. But their mean is given as what now? As 8. So here we have 8 equals to our add all the numbers. 6 plus 9 plus 7 plus 10 plus x all over 5. When we add all this one, we have what now? 32. This equals what now? Let us confirm. This plus this 15. 15 plus this equals what now? 22. 20% is what now? 32. So we have 8 equals to 32 plus x all over what now? 5. Cross multiply. 32 plus x equals to what now? 8 times 5 equals what now? 40. Our s will not be what? 40 minus 32. And that equals what now? 8. This the fifth number is 8. The fifth number is 8. Fifth number is 8. And let's go to the next question. Question 32. Now the pattern is this. When you check the first video, I listed the most repeated what now? Math question in JAMB. When we analyze question from 2015 to 2025, last 10 years. So that is the pattern we follow. So that's the reason why I'm saying you should make sure you watch part 1 of the video. I've listed everything there. This is just the part 2 continuation. So questions under geometry and trigonometry came out 10 out of the 10 years. Okay? So question under statistics and probability came out what now? 6 times out of the 10 years. Then the first one will be question under what now? Algebra came out 12 times out of 10 years. So just make sure you watch the first video. Like I said, I'm going to drop the link to the first video under this comment section. So number 30, what now? 32. Number 32. Now says find the median of 3, 7, 5, 9, 1, 4, 6. For median on group, you must first rearrange. That is the most important thing. So first rearrange in either ascending order or descending order. But me, I prefer ascending order. So we're going to write 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what now? 9. So 7 is here. 7 and what now? And 9. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 to this side, 3 to this side. So the middle number, which is the median, equals to what now? Equals to 5. The median equals to 5. Question 33. That's under probability. Under probability. 33. Question 33. Almost done. Now it says, a die is thrown. Find the probability of an even number. Get the sample space first. The die has 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A die has 6 spaces. So what is sample space? How much space means what now? What is the total of everything? So we have a die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many even numbers do you have here? Number. Even. How many do you have here? 2, 4, and 6. So we have 3 of them. We have 3 of them. Once we know the division of probability, we need to solve this question. Probability of an event x is equals to number of that event x all over sample space, which is total what now? Total number. That's the division of probability. This is not equals to. What is the event that we're talking about here? Even number. How many even numbers do we have here? We have 3 all over. What is total number? We have 6. It's not working. 1 over 1. 1 over 2. 1 over 2. That is what now. Probability of even number. Question 34. This is 34 or 33. This is 33. How is 33? No, I missed one number. 31, 31, 32, 33, 31, 32. This is 33. This is 33. 33. So 34 now. 34. What's 34? The one says probability of A is 0.4. Probability of B is 0.3. A and B are independent. We have to find probability of A and B. Probability of A and B. If A and B are independent, to be equals to probability of A times probability of B. If they are independent, it should not be equals to. If they are independent, meaning A does not depend on B. Neither does B depend on A. So what do I have? Probability of A is 0.4 times what now? 0.3. I'll give us 0.12. 0.12. If A and B are independent, probability of A and B will be equal to probability of A times probability of B. Question 35. Question 35. Question 35. Find the range of 14, 8, 25, 5, and what now? And 30. What is the formula for range? Range is what now? Highest number. And what's the lowest what now? Number. What's the highest number here? That is 30. On this distribution, highest number is what now? Is 30. And what's the lowest number? That is 5. This is what now? 25. Range, highest number minus lowest number. That is that one. 35. Let's go to question 36. We're almost done. Question 36. The 6. A bag has 4 rand. Number of rand equals to 4. And number of blue ball equals to 6. We first get total number. sample space. Which total number? That was what now? 10. We now have to find percentage of picking a red. Percentage of picking a red will be equal to number of red all over total number, which is sample what now? Sample space. What number of red? That will be 4 all over. Total number is what now? Is 10. So we can 2 here, 2 here, 5. So percentage of picking a red is equals to 2 all over 5. Percentage of picking a red is equals to 2 all over 5. Then number 37 to 40 is under calculus. Question 37 to 40 is under calculus. Under calculus. Let me see. You see, and this is what I'm writing. It's not writing. 37. So we'll move on to what now? Calculus. 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 So last 10 years, we have 4 questions there. We have last 10 years of JAMB. We have 4 questions under the note now. Calculus. Just 4 questions. So calculus are integration, differentiation, and what we do. 37, I have to differentiate. 37. Differentiate y equals to 3s cubed minus 5s squared plus 2x minus 7. Differentiate. How do you differentiate? We use the general rule. We use the general rule. This is general rule. General rule says you have y equals to s is power 1 ax is power n. The y dx differentiate equals to what now? I will use the power to multiply the coefficient. That will be an. A times n is 1 an. I'll write my n back. I'm going to say what now? N minus what now? N minus 1. That's the general formula. So it means the y dx here. The y dx will also differentiate will be equals to 3 times 3 9 x 3 minus 1 2 times minus 5 minus 10. I'll write my x back. I'll subtract 1 from here. I'll do what now? 1. Then plus 1 is here. 1 times 2 is what now? Is 2. 1 minus 1 is what? Is 0. X plus 0 is what now? Is 1. So I'll be like this. This is a constant. Okay? Remember you have to differentiate a constant. The answer is also what now? Is 0. So this one is also what now? Is 0. I will do it 1 by 1. I will differentiate 1 by 1. Look at this. If suppose I have something like this. Suppose I have something like this. I have y equals to 5x squared. What are the y dx? This will be 2 times 5, 10. Let's just power what now? 2 minus 1. This will not be what now? 10 what? 10x. Okay? Root power 1, which is just what now? 10x. But here I have combined expression. This is what we call derivative of what now? Sum. The sum rule. The sum rule. Sum rule. Sum rule. Sum rule says the y dx, if I have y equals to u plus v, y equals to u plus v, and these u and v are functions of x, then it means the y dx equals to the u dx plus the v dx. Meaning u depends on x, v depends on x. I'll just find the u dx, the v dx. So this is sum. So I'll use 1 by 1 using this general formula. So I'll just be 3 times 3, 9. X is power what now? 3 minus 1, which is 2. 2 times minus 5, 10. X is power 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1 is here. This x has 1. All 1. 1 times 2, I have 2. X is power 1 minus 1. What's 1 minus 1? 0. X is power 0 is 1. So that's why I don't have anything here. You see, just ordinary 2. A constant. When you differentiate a constant, you have what? You have 0. Question number 38. Question number 38. Question 38. Gradient is given as what now? Y. The gradient is given as the gradient of y, gradient of y, gradient of y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 3. Find the gradient of y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 3 at x equals to 2. Find the gradient. Gradient is dy dx. This thing, this one now, dy dx. So we need to differentiate first. So when we differentiate this one, our dy dx will become what now? 2x times what now? Minus 4. Using this general principle. Okay? 2 times 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 is minus 4, minus 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. X per 0 is what now? Is 1. 4 times 1 now what now? 4. A constant, differentiate is 0. So now set at x equals to 2. Anywhere I see x equals to 2. This will not be 2 minus what? 2 and what minus 4. This will not be what now? 4 minus 4. Not be what now? Because it's 0. That's question 38. Question 39. Question 39. Question 39. Where should I write off? Okay. Let me write this one off. Question 39. Question 39. Now says evaluate the integral of 2x plus 3 dx. This is another one, integration. What's general rule? The integral of x raised to power n dx will be equals to x raised to power n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c. So now to integrate 3x raised to power 2 dx will be equals to 3x raised to power 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 plus what? Plus c. So now what now? 3x raised to power 3 all over what now? 3. 3 will cancel 3. Now what now? Plus c plus c. 3 will cancel 3. Now what now? S cubed plus c. Is it clear? Now what else? What? This is general rule under what now? Under integration. Integrate x to the power n dx to be x to the power. I'll just add 1 to the what now? To the power. I'll add 1 to the power. So where is the power here? 2. This is a constant. I'll say the constant out. Then x, then 2 plus 1. All over n plus 1. 2 plus 1. How would that be? 3x cubed all over 3. 3 will cancel 3. Then what about now? S cubed plus. So integrate this. That will be 2x. This is 1. I have 1 here. That will be 1 plus 1. Okay. All over what now? 2. Then plus. This one has x to the power 0. Okay. Ordinary 3 is same as saying what now? 3x to the power what now? 0. A constant cannot stand alone here. So it must have what now? A variable. This variable is what now? X to the power what now? 0. So what is the rule? I will add 1 to this. This will now be 3x 0 plus what now? Plus 1 all over 0 plus 1. Plus what? Plus c. This will now be 2x all squared all over 2 plus 3x all over what now? 1 plus c. This will cancel out these 2. Now what now? S squared plus what now? Plus 3x plus c. That is option A. Option A. So if you differentiate this, okay, you have this. When you differentiate s squared plus 3s, you're going to be having what now? 2s plus what now? Plus 3. So the opposite of what now? Of integration is differentiation. Is it clear? So integration is the opposite of what now? Of differentiation. When you integrate, you get this answer back. That is question number 39. Then the last one, which is question number 40. We are given f of x. We are given f of x. So let me write this one up. We are given f of x. F of x f of x equals to s squared minus 6x plus what now? Plus 5. As a minimum at s equals to what? Now, under minimum or maximum, when you differentiate, it just equals to 0. At minimum, okay, our dy dx was what's what now? 0. F of s is same as saying what now? Y, take note. Y is same as saying what now? F of what? F of x. Is it clear? So you know what it means? What we're doing here is just what now? Y is equals to what now? S squared minus 6x plus what now? Plus 5. So what are dy dx? Differentiate. We have what now? 2x minus what now? Minus 6. And we said at minimum, our dy dx must be equals to 0. I'll just equate this to 0. I'll just say what now? This is the last one, which is question number 40. I'll just say, this question number 40. I'll just say what now? The y at minimum, the y dx equals to 0. So it means 2x minus 6 equals to what now? 0. This will come here to become what now? Positive. Now 2x equals to what now? 6. Other x equals to what now? 6 over 2. X equals to what now? 3. And that is the concluded part of the solution to 40 likely JAMB 2026 maths question. This is part 2. I told you, I'm going to drop the link of the part 1 under the comment section below. Okay, make sure you watch, you like, subscribe, comment, and you share. Okay, share to other candidates writing maths in JAMB. Our mission is to make sure that we have students that are what 90 plus in JAMB. Send this video to them and make sure you watch others of our videos. We have many videos on our channel here, okay? Maths video, physics video, chemistry video for science students. Strictly for science students. But for the maths, students can gain from the maths. For the physics and the chemistry or the science students. Make sure you watch this, send the video, share it, like, comment. Till we meet next time. My name is Shari. I will see you in the next video.